Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, also known as Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am taking you through the process of how I deep condition my hair. So if you're interested, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, so it's been about 2 weeks since I deep conditioned my hair. Ideally, I'd like to do it once a week, but it was a hard couple of 2 weeks, guys. So yeah, I'm on to the second week of deep conditioning my hair. I shampooed and conditioned in the shower as usual, and I'm using Shea Moisture's deep conditioner because this conditioner is so bomb. It smells so good. It's so thick and creamy. It's one of those deep conditioners you want to use when you've neglected your hair. So I'm just going to put it in my hair in smaller sections, make sure that it's dispersing throughout my hair and coating every strand. I do apply water just in case my hair starts drying. It's, makes it a lot easier to spread the product on my hair. And then I detangle and just twist up my hair. So here goes how my twist looks after twisting it up in that deep conditioner. And today I'm using a new product. It's called EverHot Instant Heat Thermal Cap. This is my first time using it. And basically this is like an easy, convenient way to deep condition. The heat starts to generate once you open the package. So there's no electricity. You don't have to use a microwave, and the cap stays hot for hours. It heats up within 3 minutes. And once the cap starts cooling down, the heat still stays inside the cap due to a special protective film, which makes the cap also waterproof. So there's no need to use any extra plastic bags like the ones that I used to use in all my other deep conditioning videos. So you're keeping the conditioning process super clean, super simple, super easy. Another thing that I love about this thing is that when you're wearing it, you could do anything you want. Like you could cook, work out, wear makeup. I'm leaving it on for 3 hours, and I had errands to run, so I used this little head wrap thing, and it, nobody can't even see it. So, you can be completely freely mobile, active. There's no cords. You can deep condition, you can use oil treatments, you could dye your hair while using this thing. This thing was bomb. I liked it. It's super convenient, super easy, and I love how super simple it was. I'm not doing like a whole bunch of steps or anything. So I did like this for my deep conditioning process this week. I do also have a 15% off discount code that's for you 15 if you guys want to use that. So after I'm done basically using the cap, my hair was still kind of warm, so I want to make sure my hair cooled down before, rinsing out that deep conditioner, because I want to avoid any extra damage on my hair. So there goes that. I waited for it to cool down, and I rinsed out with cold water. And here's how my curls are looking with no product. They look so nice and defined even with no product. But I wanted to go for a twist out. This is my first time doing a twist out on my hair, and I used Camille Rose Aloe Butter Gel. It's very hydrating and moisturizing. You can see how juicy my curls look, and you guys know that I just love aloe vera in my hair. It's just the best thing for my hair. So here goes how the twists are looking. I left that in overnight, and in the morning I use Natural's pure avocado oil. I love this stuff because it's lightweight and you can use it on a daily basis, and I'm using it to unravel my twists to avoid any frizz, or just to avoid as much frizz as possible, because even though every time I undo my twist, I get frizz regardless. So it's to help reduce the amount of frizz that I get, I guess. So after that, I start separating the twists, and then I use a pick to just pick it out. You could see the difference when I pick it out. I just prefer it picked out. You don't have to pick out your hair. I personally love volume. So after I'm done, I will go ahead and just mess with my hair, add some bangs, add some bobby pins to try to just get it to look more as symmetrical as possible. But this is the best that I can do, and I actually thought it came out super cute. So here goes the final results, guys. Let me know what you think. A little twist out. I haven't done a twist out in a while, and it was so quick too, so I was like, okay, I could do more twist outs. They're cute. So Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.